So let's continue to progress our knowledge of support and resistance. So levels of support and resistance are often reacted off in a few specific ways. So let's use some of the levels we've been learning about in previous lessons. So if we mark our swing high as resistance and we move into this area here, we can see that we approach the level, we hit the level, and we actually have a nice reaction off of the level. And this reaction is going to be known as first hit rejection. And first hit rejection occurs around 90% of the time at these levels. So if we look for another example of this, we can find that marking this swing high, we see the very same first hit rejection here, where we approach the level, we hit the level, and as soon as we hit it, we get a nice reaction off of that level. And if we actually take this one step further, and we mark the swing low of the swing high, and we take a little zoom in, we can see how price moves down, it moves back up, and it goes through that very same first hit rejection of the level here. Look, comes down, comes back up, hits the level, and it pulls back instantly again. Exactly the same as this swing high. Price comes all the way down, it comes back up, and it hits the level, and it pulls back off of that level once again. So you may ask, why does first hit rejection occur? And why can we expect to see that at these levels of support and resistance? And that is because these levels become targets. Now, if we go to, for example, a swing low, we can use this nice weekly level on Bitcoin's chart. The swing low here as support. Price comes down, hits the level, first hit rejection, and moves up. Now, to add to this knowledge of first hit rejection, once you have first hit rejected off of a level, this means that technically in the future, you are then able to break this level and move beyond it. If we go into a lower time frame, for example, the daily time frame, we can expect to see this same first hit rejection off of our levels. So if we mark this swing high here, you can see how price comes up, hits the level, and as soon as it hits the level, which is to the absolute T here, you get this nice movement down, this nice rejection of that level. And that is because those traders who have bought in this accumulation phase here, followed by the move up, are likely then exiting their position here, because this level, this swing high as resistance, becomes a target. So that is a little bit more on the basic levels of support and resistance.